Hello students, now let's try to understand the state function and state variable. Okay, so what do we mean by state function, student? Its value depends on, that is the only initial and final value, not the intermediate. Okay, let us read out, student. The thermodynamics properties which values depends only upon the initial and final states of the system and are independent of the path are called the state function. Means, what is meaning of that? State function is the property of the thermodynamic property which value depends on the initial and final values. Okay, now let us see. State functions are the denoted by capital letters like internal energy, enthalpy, entropy, Gibbs energy, pressure, temperature, volume, number of moles, etc. are state function are not absolute in nature. State function are not absolute in nature. So we talk about the change in state function like that delta u, delta s, delta g, etc. For cyclic process, change in state function will be equal to 0. Now let us read little better for the understanding, student, what is the state function. So here state variables are basically the observable measurable properties of describing which can be defined the states of system. For example, if we specify temperature, pressure and volume of the system, we can specify the state of the system. Okay, if any of these properties change, the state of the system will change. State function are those quantity whose value depends only upon an initial and final state of the system and not on the path or route by which the changing has been brought about. For example, of such quantity include the enthalpy, entropy, free energy, temperature, pressure, volume, etc. can also be considered as the state function as they depend only on the initial and final value and not on the route taken. However, we cannot call enthalpy, entropy and free energy, etc. as a state variable as these themselves depends upon the temperature, pressure, that is changing the temperature, pressure, etc. of the system will change the enthalpy and entropy, etc. In simple terms, we can say that state variable are the state function, but it is not necessary that all state function will be the state variable. So this was the point to be learn about the state function. But state function, you always keep in mind that its value depends on the initial and final states, okay, of the system, not the all the steps. Thank you so much for watching, friends.